afternoon. This is Brian Schumann coming to you again from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV for another video on a coach we have here that I think you're really going to like. This is a 2022 Newmar Essex 4569 floor plan. And this one here was special ordered. We've got a lot of unique things on it, and I want to take a few minutes to show you through it. So we're going to start up here in the coach in terms of the cab. A couple things you need to notice right away is it is on a Spartan chassis. And all Newmar luxury coaches are going to be on a Spartan chassis from starting with your London Air, your Essex, and your King Air. So that's a 605 horsepower, 1,950 pounds of torque, and this will tow anything and everything that you need to tow. Look at the nice wood on the steering wheel and on the dash. They've done an excellent job of outfitting this coach in terms of your seat, your cockpit, everything else. You've got a massaging seat, you've got heated seat. You have an oversized passenger seat. You have large navigation and camera controls screens. So those are new this year. A 360 camera, trailer cameras as you can see on the dash. Being a Spartan chassis, you also have your Kurt Spectrum tow package, which means you've got your airline running to the back. You've got your collision avoidance system. You have your adaptive cruise control, and all that is at your fingertips on the steering wheel, which again is power driven in terms of tilting and reclining and adjusting just by the tabs underneath where you'd have like shift tabs almost. These adjust the angle and telescopic nature of the steering wheel. And also you can adjust your pedals, which move electronically. All your shifts and all your leveling is over on the side, as typical. And your comfort drive system, again, is on the dash to the left, over here by the dial, right below the self-charging iPhone ports, both for the driver and the passenger. Okay, so as we look at the rest of this coach, this is the Alado graphics and exterior and interior package with a cherry glazed ultra high gloss finish on these cabinets. So again, this is a really neat, unique, and different color. It's not real dark, it's clearly not real light, but there's even some inlay on this where you can see more of that cherry color that is again coupled or accented by the lights on each side. So it's a nice decor. You have a gray kind of color leather and a gray floor that ties in really nice to give it a warm feel in this Essex. You can see we're equipped with, very generous size theater seats, which a lot of storage, both on top and below, with a tray for all your reading material or snacks. Obviously they recline, there's charge ports there. Across from that you have a hide-a-bed that pulls out, and your 43-inch televator that'll come up in place of your window. As you move back, you have a booth dinette, which again, this is all power. So again, with a touch of a button, you'll be able to slide this thing out, raise and lower it to adjust for your seating and dining needs. And across from that, I think the 4569 has a really unique floor plan from the standpoint of a super generous kitchen area. So if you're a chef of sorts or a person that likes to cook a lot in their coach, this is truly a good coach for you to consider. This slide will come over on top of the pull-out here. So these cabinets are permanent, because you can tell by the accent lights that go around the floor. So this will all come out, but you'll still have access to your induction cooktop, your microwave, all your cabinets. And again, you've got almost a full semicircle of cooking space. And notice that you have a little bit of a lip along these too. So again, as you're preparing your food and meals, if you have any liquids, at least it's not going to roll down onto your leather or onto your TV or anything like that. So I kind of like the way it's subtle, but it's just enough to catch any fluids that might be moving. So as you come along here, again, your induction cooktop, remember we've always talked about these, are able to be pulled out and be used outside for cooking like bacon and fish and things like that, though you don't want that smell inside your coach. So again, unique to Newmar, the way they've done that makes it really, really accessible. Nice backsplash. You have two sinks. Well, I'm sorry, one sink. It's a country kitchen sink, nice and large. So again, you can actually clean your pots and pans in here. And it's nice that you have room for that away from your cooking surface over here to clean up or prep or wash up. In this particular Essex, we've got a wood-covered fridge, ice maker, freezer below, blends in obviously beautifully with the rest of the decor. And one thing I want to notice, you pay attention to, is that you don't see cabinets above the windows. Now we have the shades pulled down because it's a really bright light day, but notice how clean that looks in these big bonded windows on the off-door side and even opposing on the door side. But this gives an opportunity for an immense amount of light that'll come through both those windows and even the side window next to the theater seat. So in the videos that Katie will show you, you'll see with the windows up and you'll see how they come up and how much light comes in. This particular model has two extremely generous sized pantries. Obviously they're backlit immediately, and then you can move these whatever height you want to. If you look, you can see where there's holes along the side, so you can check the height of these things in case you have different size cooking items that you want to store in your pantry. But you have that pantry and you have this one with shelves and drawers down below. And as always, Newmar, again, these are deep shelves. They're long. They're constructed with screws and glue, not staples. So again, construction, home construction, residential type construction is used in all Newmar coaches. Opposite the pantry, you have your half bath. Again, it's on your pin door. So that pin door enables you when the slides are to come in to make sure you can still grab a beverage and go to the bathroom without having a whole door that'll come out and be blocking your passageway. But take a look at this bathroom. A recessed sink is nice, makes it really easy to clean. Lots of bright lights in the vanity area, so if you need to get ready and you're working with lots of people in the coach, someone can easily get ready in here while you're getting ready in the master bedroom. And by the way, these are solid doors. They're not hollow, not in an Essex. You've got a very nice solid door that separates your bedroom from the living room and or your guests, if you have any guests. As you come back into the master bedroom, generous size king bed. Notice you have wireless charging ports for your phone. And like I always like to point out, you have a pocket up here, a hole that's covered that enables you to have an electronic device. There's also a plug-in up there, but if you had a CPAP machine or something like that, you could put it up here, run the cord through the hole down to here, or even up there. But the point is, it doesn't take up your space on your nightstand. And I think that's intelligent design on Newmar's part. Nice sized TV, some more windows, very generous dresser drawers, 6 of them, soft close, Bose sound system, silver leaf controls throughout the coach. And then as you come into the master bathroom, you have a really neat kind of trapezoidal type of shower with a water miser system. And again, the water miser system is such that when that blue light comes on, you know then the temperature has reached the temperature, so you can go in and shower. Otherwise, it's recycling water, so you're saving energy and water while you're camping. Cedar closet for your shirts and longer items. Adjustable shelves. And as you notice, you have dual sinks. And again, plenty of vanity space, storage behind it. And you have your egress door, which is a great way to load your coach and unload your coach at the end of a trip. And again, more cedar closet storage space for linens, towels, with adjustable shelves for your needs. And not to forget, but you have your Whirlpool, in this case, stackable washer and dryer. And of course you can close this off all the way. And then on this side is a full-length mirror. So if you're getting ready, like for me, that would be scary, but somebody else may want to see themselves and how they see in their all-togetherness as they get ready to go out for the evening or out for the day. So this is a 4569 2022 Newmar Essex, available for you right now. I think the colors outside are stunning. They're white and blue as a base color. You have your cherry glazed ultra high gloss cabinetry in here with your gray leather furniture. Super floor plan, very, very comfortable, plenty of room for kitchen and dining and eating out. Oversized seats, again, Spartan chassis, lots of horsepower, lots of torque. It'll pull anything you want to. This coach is available right now here at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. You have my information, you know me by now. It's Brian Schumann. Give me a call. If you have winterization needs and you're local and you want us to do that for the service, give us a call. If you pick up this coach and you want to re-winterize, we can do that for you also. So please give us a call. Let me know if I can help you regarding this coach or any other of our other coaches we have. And again, I will talk to you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Safe travels.